Hello all, welcome back. Arduino released its new board, the Arduino Maker GSM 1400, combining Arduino Maker 0 and a GSM module supporting cellular connectivity, widening the scope for IoT development for hobbyists and people who do not have much experience in the field of networking or coding. I ordered this a month ago and I finally got my hands on it. Since it is a new member of the Arduino family, I decided to make a quick unboxing video and introduce you to this board before starting the tutorials. Okay, this is the package. Now let us open it. Okay, this is our board. As I said earlier, this is an IoT board, light and compact. It's almost the same size as that of Maker 0. It have an inbuilt GSM module with very low power consumption and can be easily accessed using Arduino libraries. This makes it easier to program and enable wireless connectivity to any of your projects in no time. Here we have a low power GSM module. The board is based on SAM D21 microcontroller and a 32-bit ARM MCU with a flash memory of 256 KB. The Sera U201 GSM module built into this board replaces the GSM shield. Here we can connect an external antenna. Input voltage should be in between 5V and 12V for stable operation. An optional lithium polymer battery can be connected to this board, which will be automatically switched when one power supply is not available. And here we have a micro USB port which can be used to upload programs to the board or to provide a 5V power supply. It have 8 digital I/O pins, 7 analog input pins, 1 analog output pin, and 12 PWM pin with support for UART, SPI and I2C communication protocols. This is the SIM card slot where we insert the micro SIM card. One thing to keep in mind while playing with this board is the circuit uses 3.3V unlike other Arduino boards which uses 5V. So providing a voltage greater than 3.3V to any input pin could damage the board. You will find the tutorials on projects using this board right here on our blog. If you have any questions, you can ask it in the comments. Okay guys, thanks for watching.